All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto leverage trading. Hope everyone's doing well this Thursday morning, 9 a.m. We're going to take a look at some of the trades we've had this week, where we're at going into the weekend. We'll do some Friday setup stuff tomorrow, but we just kind of look at what's happening in the market. Not everything is coming down with Bitcoin, which I consider to be pretty bullish. But we'll see. It's still early. Stock markets haven't opened in the U.S. yet. Had a great day yesterday. We'll see if we see some selling this morning. Futures look like we're going to have a pretty active trading session here in the morning here in the States. But we're looking at Binance coin, right? BNB is one of the tokens I identified in January as being one of the better trading opportunities on leverage, okay? Because of the fluctuation and volatility and because it's actually increased its correlation with Bitcoin. And so that allows you to use Bitcoin to make some calls in Binance coin, right? Depending on what's happening in the Bitcoin market. And so you can hear what I have here on the chart is simply using the 721, okay? It's very simple moving average method, okay? And let's look at what has happened to the value of the BNB token every time it has a cross in its 721, either up or down. What's the subsequent candles that follow? That's what you want to look for every time. That's your trading opportunity. That's your filling the gap opportunity, okay? And should help you determine when you enter or where you exit. For example, you go all the way back here, okay? April 21st, a few weeks back, okay? 2 weeks ago-ish. Selling down. Why? It crossed on this particular 420 and 419. If you look here, you can see EMA 7, EMA 21. Okay? Look, 1 basis point difference between the two moving averages. Okay? Everything's been very, very compact in April. Okay? Which is why we've had these big breaks and then we've come back down, right? Everything's been compact. Not a big gap, right? But when it breaks its 21-day moving average at 419, after breaking its 420 moving average 7-day, what happened to BNB? She went all the way down, and if on the wick, it got to be almost $400. Okay? And then she stayed below the 21-day, below, tried to fight here, stayed below the 21-day, no trades. Now, if you held open on your exchange, remember overnight fees if you're on certain exchanges, always be aware of that. But you could have held that sell down at 415, 416, all the way down to 385. Okay, that's on a wick, but I'm just saying, depending on what you put your stop at and what you put your sell order at, right? So then what would happen? Okay, we fought back here. So 4 days later, it breaks its 21, broke its 21. Bullish news, right? Did it confirm? It confirmed. Then what did it do? It went right at its 7-day, but by this time, the gap was 6 basis points. Pretty nice gap to trade on leverage at 10x, right? Got above its 7-day, went all the way back above 406 before reaching some overhead resistance, selling pressure, came back down. Here, it broke its 7-day, tested its 21-day, broke it, plummeted all the way back down again. This time lower than the previous time, which is important, okay? Then we got into that same thing for 3 days, came back here on the 28th. So in a week, this is the week, the 21st to the 28th. Broke again. 7, look at the day. Look how close they are. 395, same level. 7 and 21 day, same level. It breaks it, it pumps. Back to 409, a little bit higher than right here. Then it falls back down, falls below. Okay? Can't seem to break out again here. Falls back down, even lower than before. Then it breaks again here, and this is where we are now on the current open trade at 10x. We're going to watch the 400 level because that's where the 7-day is, and then the 394 level. So now we decide, okay, when we see the red candle, we will then exit this trade.